back to another episode of Gibbo's Road Trip Adventures. In this episode, we leave the country river system and we head for the ocean. Stick with us as we show you a fantastic campsite and we have a few visitors. So, what do you know, from the country to the beach? We've actually popped in to check out the little town of Wooleye and I think I'm in love.
I'm in love and I don't care who knows.
And it's a lovely beach. And opposite the beach is a beautiful lagoon that you can put your boat in. Let's have a little look. Probably can snorkel too. There's a man fishing down there. Oh, I love it. Have to come back one day. So see that water through there? We've just scored something really good. We are paying for it, but this is our last night before we head home. There's my darling. Okay, so we're sort of in the Coffs Harbour area and we went to national parks and everything's booked out. We rang national parks, they checked and couldn't find anything. Anyway, we thought we'd come down and have a little look anyway. We're at Illaroo. There's a south and a north campground. Anyway, there's so many vacant spots. And then we saw a national parks person and we said, what do you think? And they said, oh no, there's probably people coming in. And we said, we just wanted one night. Anyway, someone unfortunately has an unwell family member, so they're leaving. And we had driven around and wrote down the sites if we came back what we wanted. And this one is one of the premium awesome spots. So we've done a little deal with the guy. We've paid, it's normally, because it's a premium site, $35 a night, but we gave him $40 and National Parks came and confirmed all good that we can stay the night here. Anyway, we're just waiting for him to get his caravan on and then he's off and we can go and park ours and settle in and have a swim at the beach. Oh, we're very, very excited. Amazing what luck happens when you really, really want it. So this is the site we got. It is awesome. And look at that day and the beach. I want to zoom in, but I don't know how on this one. And we got a fireplace and we're allowed to have a fire. So this is our last night of our getaway. So can't complain about that. Can we?
No point complaining.
No.
Nobody listens.
Awesome. Anyway, I might just get our chairs out so we can we'll actually get our cozies on and go and have a swim.
Swim for sure.
And we're off to go and check the beach out.
Those people with that side.
Yeah. Apparently it's the best one in the campground, we've been told by some fellow campers. So it makes you even feel better, doesn't it? So just a short little walk down here to the beach. Da da da.
Bit of weed today.
Little bit of weed, but apparently down the south side's pretty good. One family told us, and not too rough. I don't like it too rough. And wow, this is our little romantic cove.
Romantic novel area, is it?
Alrighty, I mean the water temperature is lovely. Alright, let's get our gear off.
Beautiful.
Lunch with a view. So leftovers. Got our chicken wings that were cooked on that flat dog, our sausage roll cooked in the barbecue, and our brown rice salad cooked in that new rice cooker. The product of camping. Alrighty, so we're doing a little bit of an adventure and exploring the area. This is Sandon Beach. Glorious day. And we have 2 surprise visitors coming to join us tonight, which we weren't expecting, but we're quite excited about. And we've checked with national parks and they're all good. We just gave them some more money. So anyway, we did free camping for quite a while, so you don't mind paying when there's something extra special. So here we are. Steve's just letting down the tyres. The tide is coming in, so you don't want to get bogged when that's happening. Oh, look, I thought I was a country girl, but I do love the beach as well. As long as you've got a water source to cool you down in summer. And this is pretty darn good. Sandon Beach is the exit point to go up to Sandon.
Beautiful snorkel area there.
Look at that. So this is taking us to the south side of Sandon, which is separated by water.
Yeah, a little inlet. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
There's houses here. The only access is via the beach.
So we've only ever been on the north side, so this is interesting to see something new. Uruguay Coastal Walk, and then it points to where we're staying, Illaroo Campground, 10 kilometres.
Amazing.
Amazing that they have all of these buildings. So you don't think there's a road in here?
Well, there is that backtrack that we just saw there.
Oh, okay.
It's like the track we were just on.
Right. These are some little cottages that just look straight out onto this amazing outlook. Anyway, we better venture back, see if our visitors have arrived. I hear someone's here. It's the Troopy! Awesome! Riley and Amber have joined us. They were staying somewhere down Nambucca Way, I think, and saw that we were here and said, can they join us? How awesome!
Oh, hello!
Hello!
How's it going?
How are you doing?
Nice to see you here.
This is so exciting! So unplanned.
Yeah, good that we can catch up with you.
Oh, we didn't even know we were going to have this site. So
What a stunner.
I know, it's very good. So we thought we'd walk around and see what the little bay is on the other side of this. It looks like there's another cave. Oh. All right. I don't know if you can see this. He just went through that hole. Oh, this is better. Fantastic. Ah, such a lovely surprise to have Ryan and Amber join us. They've been road tripping and surfing up the coast. And the water temperature is still just so warm and easy. Here comes Amber. This is my new creation. It is a Illaroo. What did I say it was? Ah, I forgot about the mango. Okay. So my new creation is a Illaroo Mango Calippo Special Margie. And look where we are with a chili rim. Woohoo! And the verdict is...
It's delicious.
Yay!
Turn up.
I love the colour orange. And of course she's here. We're going to name this new cocktail. I'll just come in close. Yours looks really good there. The Amber Illaroo Margarita. There you go. That's our new one. Fantastic. Look at this. What a great setup. I did actually take a photo of you two darlings. And you're probably not supposed to use it as a clothesline, but we have. Just dry them off before we put them away. But yeah, we're having a little fire. Amber's doing her food prep. Yeah. We have a new cook on the scene. We have Amber, and she's making a shepherd's pie. Is that correct?
Yes, and I'm winging it.
She's winging it. I love it. She's making her own.
That'll do. Do you like that?
Yes.
What a girl. And so they've got the camp oven in the fire there. We're in the docks. We'll pop our camp oven in there after and cook our little beauties. And what are you doing there, Amber?
Adding water.
To your stock.
Yeah.
What she does to cool down her meals.
A little bit
Just a
of...
little bit of Amber's backwater.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight from my bottle. I wonder when I add the corn flour. Now? Maybe now.
Corn flour, sometimes you can add it separately to a little bit of boiling water.
Well, that's what it said, but I
No, because if you add it now without doing that, you're going to get lumps. So all I suggest is go and get a cup and take a bit of the liquid that's hot, and then add your corn flour to the little cup and mix it.
Okay.
And throw that in.
Oh.
Yeah, it goes really hard, but it will soften up. Mix it all in, and then you pour it, and that thickens to create your sauce.
Oh yeah, that seems together. Oh no. Yeah, that seems together now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Here you go, girl.
Wow.
I love this.
Okay, spoon swap.
These guys have been licking these spoons. They're sharing the love. So Amber's put some mash on her shepherd's pie. Amber is just unbelievable with her cooking.
No one's tried it yet.
I want Amber to bring a cookbook out.
Oh no.
Very good, especially her Irish recipes.
Alright, cheese it up, bro.
What are you doing, Stevie?
I'm just going to throw some spuds up the back here.
This is our dinner. We're doing the leftovers of whatever we've got. So we're going to watch the rich people there with their camp oven. And we've got our potatoes. But
Bread.
we have a tribute to my mum and my auntie Noling. Tuna toasties.
And one of my dad's
Yeah,
favourite.
so Steve's dad always loved me to make these for him. Sadly, he is no longer with us, but you always think of the people, don't you, that shared a meal with you and what they loved.
Yep.
In goes our token milk. Woohoo! Amber and Ryan are about to do the reveal of their shepherd's pie.
Wait, hang on, I'm gonna go this way.
I bet it's going to be beautiful.
Look at
It's golden! Look at that!
No, that looks ridiculous.
Oh, I can't wait to try it.
Oh, hey, Ryan.
Hey.
Remember the old tuna toasty days?
Yeah. Well, we got some.
This is the way they really should be cooked.
Granddad loved these.
I was ready for the burn.
No,
That was
they are
great.
perfect.
This is really yummy.
Get into it. Oh.
Can we?
being gifted another beautiful day, we decided to head down to the beach for a swim and a drive along the beach with Riley and Amber. We really are regretful that we didn't book a second night. We had the opportunity to, but unfortunately it was rebooked by somebody else. You've got to be quick. I must say, with national park bookings, please cancel them if you can't make your book date. It's so unfair that there are sites that sit empty because people didn't bother to cancel. Anyway, just my little word to ask, please think about that.
Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty?
So it's time for us to move on, and I love this place so much. I'm going to leave this lovely lady for someone to find near our site. I think I'll come over here, have a little look under in here, and I think I might pop it just in there. Someone will sight it, I'm sure. So where to next? Well, at this point, we don't actually know. So make sure you subscribe. We thank you for your support, and we always thank you for watching. See you next time.